Good Wednesday morning, and thanks for checking out this forecast update. Another nice sunrise out there this morning. We do have increasing cloud cover. Clouds will increase today, so we will turn mostly cloudy. Temperatures won't be too bad. We enjoyed a pretty nice day yesterday with all that sunshine. Temperatures should be very similar to yesterday. Looking at the radar this morning, it's another quiet morning out there across the area. There are a couple sprinkles out around Chicago, but they're so light, they're really not even being picked up on the radar. So today, we have a weak front coming through, but the moisture will be very limited. We could see a few spotty sprinkles today, but that is going to be it. Temperature should reach the mid-40s. Now we will work in some cooler temperatures tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm only expecting a high of about the mid-30s, so about 10 degrees cooler than today. But the good thing is we will stay relatively dry through the end of this week. Friday's looking pretty good, a little bit warmer, and we'll keep a little bit of a warmer trend into Saturday. Saturday still we're going to keep mostly dry, maybe an isolated sprinkle, but the forecast challenges will start to come in for the end of the weekend as we do introduce the opportunity for some snow here, and that's going to be as we make that transition to a very cold pattern for March standards as we go into early next week. So right now we're going to go with about a 50% shot here of some accumulated snowfall on Sunday. Again, snow's possible and there could be some accumulation, but it's too early to really have any more specifics than that. So first off, here's a look at that front moving through today. Just wanted to show you guys how weak this is. A couple of light sprinkles possible, but most areas will be relatively dry, and any rain today would be very brief and very light. Looking at that system this weekend, here's an idea from one of the many model solutions. There's still some uncertainty in the track of the system and how strong it's going to be, so we need some more days to kind of fine-tune the forecast. It's not a guarantee we'll get snow, but there is certainly a chance as we go into the second half of the weekend. But one thing for sure, next week it's dangerously cold. We're going into March, but we're talking about temperatures that will be very, very cold, as much as 20 degrees below normal next week. Lows could approach 0 if we get any snow on the ground, so that will be something to watch for sure. That's all I have for your update today. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.